YouTube, it's your girl Angie back with another video. I know I haven't been posting. This is because I didn't have a camera. Right now I'm using my phone and I didn't really have any good ideas to post. But I'm really gonna start posting for you guys every 2 days, hopefully. But today I'm coming back pranking my grandma. So basically what I'm gonna do is do the crack your back prank or whatever. I'm put the noodles in my mouth, crack it with my teeth while she cracks my back. And I'm gonna just be dramatic, you know? So stay tuned for this. I really hope this works out. Alright, YouTube, I'm in the bathroom. She's currently in the living room. I don't know how to do it. Like, I don't know where to put the camera because she pays attention to me. So I think I'm gonna just put the camera like on something right now. I'm just be like, my back hurts, grandma. She'll be like, your back hurts? I'm like, yeah. You think you could crack it? Alright, let's see this. I'm so nervous. Oh my god.
Cinco fatiga.
My back hurts.
My back.
You want to crack my back for me?
I'm gonna do that.
You want to crack back?
I'm gonna try it.
I just don't understand how
Why
to
you
be
gotta go like that?
so much that I barely knew.
Like, ugh.
Well, if I had the injury, it cracks by itself.
Yeah.
Right?
No one's ever talked to me like that before.
And when I first started working
That
at the
happened in
church,
real
after
confidence.
Sophia moved back, Bishop sat me down and he said, before you do anything, Gigi, check your heart and make sure you're acting from love. Because there wasn't anything that Jesus did that wasn't dipped down in and dripping with Jesus' love for human beings.
You want to try?
Huh?
You want to
You
try?
guys beloved.
You wanna try?
Do you want to try to crack it?
I'm gonna build that car. Even if it takes me a year, 10 years.
You heard that, right?
What?
You didn't hear a click?
I'm
Where did that
building.
come from? I heard that click.
If you
Right.
excuse me, I have to take a phone call.
Come on.
Anything I can help with?
Oh no.
I'm going to sit right here. Hmm? Go right here. Mm-hmm. And you go like that.
To the bishop.
Oh, grandma, wait. That hurt.
It hurts?
Yeah.
Right here, right? You probably have
Miss,
sciatica.
how good of you to call? I'm sorry about it.
I hope you don't have spell.
No.
Oh my god.
It's no
It hurts a
problem.
lot?
How can I help? Well, we
You wanna
just
rub
left
some
the
aspirin
church,
cream on it?
and by way of
It's
being
a little
deacons,
updated.
minus
outdated,
hindsight, of course.
right?
Minus
Right
kind.
here.
Really? Oh yes. And
Okay, does your muscles
to
feel acute?
lead worship this Sunday in the sanctuary. You want me to speak?
Yeah, well, Phil is gone, and as you know, we're cutting ties with age and age. And after this year of chaos, I can't even begin to categorize our misadventures with age
You didn't hear
and
when
age.
you cracked it?
So
Yeah, I heard it.
Exactly. We just thought it would be powerful to celebrate the bishop, to look back at all he's done for us.
You joking
all
around,
he's done
right?
for us. For all
It's a
these
prank?
years.
Why you
We
do
need to
that to
come home
me?
to Calvary. I couldn't agree more. We need to come together as a family in faith. And we need someone to remind us
Are you
of where
putting on
we've
the
been
camera?
and
You gotta be kidding.
what a blessing.
Alright guys, I don't know if y'all enjoyed that prank, but it was really funny because I should have done it a little longer. But I just couldn't. I couldn't hold my laugh. But she really did believe it and she got that. What is this? The aspirin. I got you, right, Grandma?
Yep. Sure.